Hey guys, Vivo has announced its much-anticipated smartphones, Vivo NEX. The Vivo NEX is the production version of the Vivo Apex smartphone that was showcased by the China-based company during the Mobile World Congress. The smartphone comes with a 6.59-inch Super AMOLED Ultra Full View display with a screen-to-body ratio of 91.24% and 2316 by 1080 pixels screen resolution. All the sensors on the device are hidden under the display. Instead of an earpiece, the phone comes with the screen sound casting technology, which promises better bass and softer treble. Because of the narrow bezels surrounding the display, Vivo had to come up with a unique solution for the front-facing camera. And thus, one of the highlights of the phone is that it comes with a pop-up front-facing camera. The 8-megapixel front-facing snapper automatically rises and hides on opening and closing camera and also makes a sound to notify the user. The company says that it uses micro-stepping motors with independent drive IC and precision control algorithms to precisely control this process. The device features a third-generation in-display fingerprint scanning technology, which according to the company, increases the screen unlock time by 10% and increases the overall experience of phone unlocking. On the backside, there's a dual camera setup, which consists of 12-megapixel sensors, primary being the Sony IMX363 sensor, with f1.8 aperture, and 4-axis optical image stabilization, and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor, with f2.4 aperture. The phone also has Vivo Game Engine, which is made in partnership with Tencent Games. It aims to provide an immersive gaming experience, based on software and hardware optimization, and is also optimized to run games made using Unreal Engine. Further, the Vivo NEX also features 7.1-channel 3D audio, thanks to DTS:X partnership. It also has Vivo Hi-Fi V1 system-in-package technology, for hi-fi quality sound through earphones. The Vivo NEX smartphone comes in 3 variants. The high-end model, dubbed as Vivo NEX S, is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 processor, along with Adreno 630 GPU, 8GB RAM, and 256GB internal storage. The mid-end variant has the same specs as that of the highest-end variant, except for the internal storage, as it packs 128GB storage. The cheapest variant among the 3, which is called Vivo NEX A, comes powered by Qualcomm's recently launched Snapdragon 710 SoC, along with 6GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. All 3 models are powered by a 4000 mAh battery, with 22.5-watt fast charging support. Further, the smartphones come equipped with the company's own personal voice assistant, Jovi, which works on artificial intelligence technology. It supports several functionalities such as smart map reading, encyclopedia, shopping, translation, scanning, and so on. Vivo says that Jovi will keep learning based on the understanding of the user actions. There's a dedicated button on the side of the camera that triggers Jovi AI voice assistant on the long press action. The company says that it has established AI joint laboratories with partners with an aim to provide a brand new user experience through AI intelligence. The smartphone comes with Vivo newly designed custom user interface, Energy UI, with AI technology, running on top of Android Oreo operating system out of the box. Further, the device also supports engine-level SDK optimization, HPUE technology antenna layout, and a zero-sensor cooling system. The Vivo NEX will be available in 2 color options, Diamond Black and Ruby Red. The high-end model with 8GB RAM is priced at 4,998 yuan, which roughly converts to $780, while the mid-range device costs 4,498 yuan, approximately $702. On the other hand, the cheapest variant, with Snapdragon 710 costs 3,898 yuan, which roughly converts to $609. Pre-zero riders for the smartphone starts from tomorrow in China.